At the beginning, nobody claps for you. Nobody supports you. Nobody sees your vision. They see your current reality, not your future potential. And because of that, they doubt you. But every successful person learns the same lesson. People usually believe after the results, not before. The hardest phase of success is the beginning, because nothing looks impressive yet. You're working, learning, sacrificing, improving, but externally, it looks like nothing is happening. That's why most people quit. Not because they're incapable, because they don't receive immediate validation. But champions understand something powerful. The beginning is supposed to be invisible. Most people judge based on what they see today. They can't see your future. They can't see your potential. They can't see the person you're becoming. So when you talk about big goals, they doubt you. Not always because they're evil. Sometimes because their imagination is limited. They project their limits onto you. And if you're not careful, you'll start believing them. Never allow someone else's doubts to become your reality. Every successful person faces doubt. The difference is, they use it as fuel. Instead of becoming emotional, they become focused. Instead of arguing, they work harder. Instead of proving people wrong with words, they prove them wrong with results. Because results are powerful. Results end debates. Results silence criticism. Results speak a language everyone understands. One of the smartest things you can do is stay quiet while building. Not everyone needs access to your plans. Not everyone deserves updates. Protect your vision. Protect your focus. Protect your energy. Because goals grow stronger in action, not in endless discussion. Let people underestimate you. Let them misunderstand you. Let them doubt you. Meanwhile, keep working. Something interesting happens when results arrive. The same people who doubted you start asking questions. The same people who laughed start paying attention. The same people who ignored you start noticing you. Not because you changed for them, because your discipline finally became visible. And visibility changes perception. So if nobody believes in your dream right now, keep going. If nobody understands your vision, keep building. If people doubt you, let them. Because belief from others is not required. Your responsibility is simple. Stay disciplined. Stay patient. Stay focused. And remember, many people will doubt you before you win. But once you win, they'll act like they knew it all along. That's why you never build for applause. You build for results.